Northern California continued to face blizzard conditions throughout the weekend, experiencing damaging winds and heavy snowfall in mountainous areas extending down to the valleys. The most severe weather conditions unfolded at the highest elevations in the mountains, characterized by whiteout conditions and hurricane-force winds. Winter storm alerts persist across the majority of western states, with ongoing blizzard warnings for the northern and central Sierra Nevada until Monday morning. The forecast predicts up to 1 foot of snowfall and gusts ranging from 45 to 75 miles per hour, while peaks in the Sierra Nevada could still experience gusts of up to 90 miles per hour. Although the heaviest snowfall is expected to diminish across the west on Monday, intermittent rounds of moderate snowfall may continue in parts of the Intermountain West through Tuesday, potentially accumulating close to a foot. While more winter weather alerts might be issued, the snowfall is not anticipated to be as substantial as witnessed over the weekend, CNN reported. A 70-mile stretch of Interstate 80 near Nevada state line has been closed for over a day due to heavy snow, stranding drivers. Some areas in the Sierra received over 7 feet of snow in a 72-hour period, with Sugar Bowl, California accumulating 89 inches and Donner Peak, California receiving 87 inches. This is according to the National Weather Service. Wind gusts were recorded at 145 miles per hour at Palisades Tahoe Ski Base on Sunday, with the Seguin Creek Field Station registering a gust of 138 miles per hour. As of Sunday, fewer than 8,600 homes and businesses were without power in the state of California, a significant decrease from the nearly 40,000 reported earlier, according to poweroutage.us.